What is going on YouTube? Red to green here. I want to do another recap. Today is December 6th, 2021. I traded 6 stocks, well, 5 stocks. I'll tell you why. Five in a minute. The pre-market did not look so good. I was around $63 down on pre-market on CYTH and SGBX. Let's go over the CYTH trade. CYTH, we had a news come out around 8:05, 8 o'clock, I believe. The news came out. I think, if my memory serves me right, I didn't check. There was it's a FDA approval phase 2 test results. I just got up, turned on a PC, tried to set up my workstation, and I just saw my alerts popping, and I was like, let me jump in. I literally jumped in blind on that stock, and my fill was at 677 and the high was 677, so I got filled right on top. So, and guess what's happened next? Good thing I had small share amount. It was just basically playing around. I believe I had 25 shares, filled at 677. I added at 540, I believe. My average is 629 or something like that, and I was hoping for a bounce. I was hoping for a second leg up. Usually happens in a stronger market during the news releases, but lately, for the past week or so, I have seen that those things are not holding up really well. So anyway, I was hoping it's going to break the 540, break the VWAP again, and it never happened. I got out, I believe, at 526 with a $51 loss. That was pre-market. And SGBX was another one. SGBX was similar situation. This time around, I actually did wait, surprisingly, for it to bounce, and I got in around 237, 235, and I was hoping it's gonna again break the VWAP, make another 1 minute candle high, and it never happened. So I sold at the break of 230, so I got out. I was in at 237, 235. Small share size again, so down $11 on it, 11.50. So that was it. That was pre-market, and then I just told myself, I'm done pre-market. I don't want to lose any more money. I obviously I'm doing something wrong. I'm not able to get in on those initial bursts of volume, so I just kind of like gave up. So waited for market open. Market open actually was pretty slow today. We had a watch list, ACET, we had ISIG, and TOMZ, 3 stocks. By the way, I have a CYAD. It was 13 cent loss, I believe. Yeah, it should be loss. That was just basically a test trade. I usually like to send a test trade for Thinkorswim, just to see the execution and stuff like that. So that's a scratch. The good ticker was ACET for me today. We did see some opportunities. Again, I'm scalping here. As you can see, I made about 191 order. And so a trade is you get in and get out, right? That's 2 orders. And I scalp a lot in and out. I'm just kind of fishing for that momentum, and that's why you see such a large number. And sometimes I do test trades, test orders, maybe 50, 25 share order, which is pretty low order size, and it just kind of testing the waters. So that's why you see the large number of orders. Um, anyway, back to ACET. I believe I traded around 10 after 10. That's when I saw this stock curling up and going right above VWAP. So I traded from about 10 to 1040, and you can see a live recap on my Twitch channel. I stream every day, every morning, so you're welcome to check it out. And I basically traded this stock up until the pre-market high, and that's when I saw weakness, and I was up on it pretty well. So I decided, like, okay, I'm done. And as soon as I saw this flush here, I was like, okay, this stock is weak. Well, I mean, I closed down my workstation. I was pretty much done. And as you can see, this stock gave us some opportunities. And I believe same thing happened to ISIG. So anyway, that was it. Quick scalps in and out. $328. Not bad. ISIG, that wasn't really good. I started around the same time, around 10 o'clock. I was hoping for a break of 7:30, and it tried a couple times during the time I traded it. And those flushes, they're just, it would break it. It would go 1 cent, 2 cent above it, and it just flushes. So with every gain I had, I basically gave it away with every flush. So I'm glad I'm pretty much break even on it, $10 up. But I'm upset that I didn't trade it after. As you can see, after lunch, it actually did pretty well. That was probably a halt. Yeah, it was doing well. I know a lot of traders traded it. The volume came in, short squeeze. There you go. So it was a nice stock. It gave us good opportunities. It would have been a good potential for sure for more gains. TOMZ, I believe I took a pre-market, even though I said I wouldn't. I took this break of I believe, yeah, I took this break, I believe, pre-market somewhere around this area to kind of hope for a break of 2. It kind of never happened, and then with market open, it just flushed. So I just kind of gave it away. So TOMZ didn't really give any opportunities. That's pretty much it today. It was done at 11 o'clock Eastern AM. Overall gain 275.15. Pretty happy. Scalping was okay. Pre-market was not good. I actually think not to trade pre-market anymore with Thinkorswim, at least. And the issue I have mostly is with my style of trading, I'm not able to get out when I see that the trade is not working out. I basically, and Thinkorswim, you sell the bid or the ask, right? And if you just click that sell the bid, and if you're just too late, a fraction of a second too late, and there are no more bids at that price, your order will be just sitting there, and the stock will keep going down, and you'll have to cancel that order, and then you have to submit again the same order. Or you can obviously use Active Trader, scroll down to find that point and just click on it. I might play with the Active Trader, but this is too much for me. I haven't played with it a lot, so I'm not that comfortable. I have a hotkey set up for during the market hours, so it's a lot more convenient for me than using my mouse and scrolling and dragging somewhere. So anyway, that's pretty much it for today, December 6th, 2021. Up to 75. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.